The Chevy Corvette has seen several generations, each with its unique characteristics. In this video, we'll show you the cigarette lighter and power outlet fuses locations for different Corvette models. So let's go for it. In the C5 Corvette, the fuse box is typically located under the glove box in the front passenger footwell. You need to remove the lining and cover to access the fuse box. And here are the cigarette lighter and accessory power fuses. In the C6 Corvette, the fuse box can be found on the passenger side, just above the footwell area. Remove the kick panel or cover to reveal the fuse box and its accompanying diagrams. The fuse you're looking for is in the right-hand main fuse box, which will have a black cover on it. So you need to pull the cover, and you'll find the cigarette lighter and auxiliary power fuses. So here is it. For the C7 Corvette, the accessory power outlet fuse is in the luggage of the vehicle, under the load floor. Lift the carpet and access the door in the center of the load floor to access the fuses. So here is it. If you are searching for the auxiliary outlet, you can find it in the engine compartment fuse box. Check this out. This one is for 2014 to 2018 models. And this one for the 2019 model year. In the latest generation of the Chevrolet Corvette, the C8, the fuse box is typically positioned behind the glove box. Remove the glove box pin to reach the fuse box and its accompanying diagrams. So here's the power outlet fuse. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching.